Hello guys, this is Dylan, which is me. Today we're doing The Incredibles. Disney Pixar, Disney Blu-Ray to you. Side, Jack on the front, back. Pictures and description. It's on for 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's a U, contains small action, violence and peril. Universal, suitable for all. Side up. It's a disc. It's a U, UK and PG, Ireland. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next in the video and goodbye. Please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, click the bell and more. Hope you have a great day. Bye.